Alright guys, this ain't going as easy as planned, but it's going. I got off that whole section up there in the staircase area, and I'm up to here by the door. Alright, so still going as planned, spraying it with the warm water and peeling it off and scraping it with a plastic scraper. I'm going to keep going over this door now and try to get at least up to the window for today. Alright, here we go. Also, just to give you an idea, this is taking a little bit longer only because it looks like it was probably me back in the day, painted up to the border. So you can see the different color. So the paint leached behind it and kind of like painted the border up to it. So I'm peeling some of the paint up there. So I'm gonna have to patch it up with some Spackle later on. You can see. Yeah, so that's causing a little bit of heartache. Alright everyone, this is where I'm at. I got the border down from the hallway over the door and to the window like I planned. But with every plan, there's a nightmare, right? There was actually another border under the border that was partially painted over. You can see. So nothing comes easy. Always be prepared for the worst. So what I plan on doing now is spackling, like skim coating it, I guess you want to call it. I'll skim coat over all of this stuff up here, patch up some of the walls. It's got a lot of little holes in it and stuff. Skim coat it all, sand it down, then paint. And this actually all started because I wanted to do the molding around these two doors. So I decided, let me get the border out of my way because I wanted to make a nice crown molding. So I caused it on myself. Even though Avery didn't want me to start it before the holidays, but I did. So now that I started it, I gotta finish. That's how it goes. So, with every plan, there's issues. The house was built, I believe, like in 1938. So, it definitely had good bones, but we just opened up a skeleton in the closet. There you go. I'll update you guys again later on this as I progress. Okay, so just to reiterate, there was a border under the border. And the older border that was under the border is basically halfway painted or fully painted over, so it became part of the wall. But you can see a very thin line around the bottom edge of where the old border was that was painted over before the new border, which was bigger to cover the old border, took its place. So now I'm gonna have to, like I said, skim coat over that so that you won't see that line, okay? Just in case I didn't explain it properly. Alright everybody, so this section of wall that I already took the border off, I'm gonna skim coat now. So I got some spackle, a hawk, and a spackle knife. And we're gonna skim coat over everything and try to get this area done back here with the two doors and up the staircase. I don't know who that was.
It's just made the bulb buster. Cut it out. Don't put it on there.
Oh, you left your shoes here. Somebody's shoes here.
Oh, no,
Cinderella left the glass slippers and they're getting busty.
Is it after midnight? Right, I'll be right back.
Okay. I'll be right here.
Huh?
I'll be here.
Why was he dust all the way over here? What the fuck?
Are you telling me or everyone?
What?
Are you telling me or everyone?
Oh shit. Oh, I got the damn camera on.
Can't open it, be careful.
No? Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to What's in Your Garage. Today I want to show you guys a little something that I have. I actually got two of them. One's a Stanley and one is a Zircon, and they are edge finders or stud finders. They're awesome to have. You can find the beam if you want to hang something, you know, or you're just putting up sheetrock and you forgot where the beam was, whatever it might be. They're actually kind of like little metal detectors, because I think what they do is they actually pick up the screw or the nail that's already in the wall. So when you're hanging something or looking for a beam, it's a lot easier. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what they look like. And definitely if you have somebody who's a handyman, they probably would love to have one of these things instead of poking around in the wall looking for a beam. Alright, here they are. Okay, that's them. They've been around a while. This one's got a little dust on it, but I use them a lot. See, this one is a Stanley unit IntelliSensor Pro metal. You can set it for different thicknesses of beams or sheetrock, like 1/2 inch sheetrock, 1 inch sheetrock, 1.5 inch thick. That way it knows how deep it has to go. You can set it for studs or metal studs. I believe it takes a 9-volt battery in the back. There you go, 9-volt battery. You can see you can switch it to different beams. So you can switch it to 2 different beams, 3 different beams, and you can find. What you do is you hold the button in, and you go across a wall, and it'll find the metal or the beam in the wall. Pretty cool. This one is a Zircon. Has 2 different depths. It's called an HD 55. Also holds a 9-volt battery. Has a little instruction on the back. Very cool. Both work well. So there you go. What's in your garage? Stud finders. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys next time.